Good morning. Recently I found out I had a safety recall on my front tire, which was a Continental twin duro. I had them both on the front and back. So I reached out to Continental. What the process was, they had me fill out a form, and online form, and I submitted it. And that was weeks ago, and I haven't heard back. Have to give them a call. But in the meantime, it was a safety recall, something to do with the tread separating on the front tire. Well, that really, that could concern anybody, but it really concerned me because I'm learning how to ride. So for the most part, I'm riding on pavement. And of course, I don't want to have a front tire separate on me when I'm riding, when I'm inexperienced. Maybe if you're experienced, it's not going to matter either, you're still going to crash, but that seemed really bad to me. So what I did is I decided to go purchase a new set of tires. So my replacement tires are Shinko 705s. And the reason I went with the Shinko 705s is they are reasonably priced, got somewhat decent reviews. They're definitely not going to be as good, well, definitely not the same tread I had on the Continentals. Those were a super aggressive tread. So now I'm waiting to hear back from Continental because it'd be nice if I could at least get my front tire installation covered. Which brings me to my next part of the story about my tires. Being that I'm new and I had these tires done, I went to a dealership so I could have them installed and balanced. I briefly thought of buying my own balancing stand and tire changing stand and trying it myself. Being so inexperienced, and I'm still learning all the basic maintenance, I didn't want to screw that up. That was my initial thought. I went to the local Kawasaki dealer. I bought a pair of Shinko tires. And then I made a plan to go to the Kawasaki dealer and have the tires installed. And I actually called a couple places, even some smaller mechanics and things like that. Nobody ever got back to me to find out if anybody else would do it. Kawasaki dealer, the shop rates were $150 an hour. They told me that it was going to take 2 hours to change the tire. Bringing the motorcycle in, having the tires changed, an inspection, all taxes in, $369. What did I say my tires cost? $320, $329? It cost me more money to get my tires changed on the motorcycle than it does to get on my car. Now, I just did it because I don't know any better. Maybe someone can tell me. I'm in British Columbia, Canada. If that sounds like normal or a ripoff. After I had it done and I thought about it, I decided that the next time I have to change my tires, I'm going to change them myself. Anyway, if you watch this far, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.